Facts about ducks. Diversity. Ducks belong to the family Anatidae, which includes swans and geese. Species. There are over 120 different species of ducks worldwide. Habitat. Ducks can be found in both freshwater and saltwater environments, including lakes, rivers, and marshes. Adaptations. Ducks have webbed feet that make them excellent swimmers. Feeding. Most ducks are omnivores, eating a mix of plants, insects, and small fish. Quacking. Not all ducks quack. Some species are silent or make different sounds. Migration. Many ducks migrate seasonally to find warmer climates and abundant food. Mating. Male ducks are often more colorful than females, a trait known as sexual dimorphism. Nesting. Female ducks build nests on the ground, often near water. Eggs. A typical duck lays 8 to 12 eggs per clutch, depending on the species. Incubation. Duck eggs generally take about 28 days to hatch. Ducklings. Ducklings are precocial, meaning they are relatively mature and mobile shortly after hatching. Social animals. Ducks are often seen in groups, known as paddles. Lifespan. The average lifespan of a duck in the wild is about 5 to 10 years, but some can live longer. Domestic ducks. The domesticated duck is primarily descended from the mallard. Drakes. Male ducks are called drakes, while females are referred to as hens. Bill shape. Ducks have broad, flat bills that help them filter food from water. Vision. Ducks have excellent vision and can see a broader spectrum of colors than humans. Swimming. Ducks use their wings for balance while swimming, and they often dive underwater to forage. Communication. Ducks communicate using various vocalizations, including quacks, whistles, and grunts. Predators. Common predators of ducks include foxes, raccoons, and birds of prey. Courtship displays. Male ducks perform elaborate courtship displays to attract females. Molting. Ducks molt their feathers once a year, losing them all at once, which temporarily affects their ability to fly. Winter plumage. Many male ducks change to a duller plumage in winter to blend in better with their environment. Feet color. Duck feet can vary in color, with shades of orange, yellow, and even blue. Cultural symbol. Ducks are often symbols of adaptability and resourcefulness in various cultures. Farm animals. Ducks are raised on farms for their eggs, meat, and feathers. Dabbling ducks. These ducks feed on the surface of the water rather than diving. Diving ducks. These ducks dive underwater to forage for food. Flying speed. Ducks can fly at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. Flocking. During migration, ducks often fly in a V formation to conserve energy. Senses. Ducks have a keen sense of smell, helping them locate food. Color vision. Ducks can see ultraviolet light, which helps them find food and mates. Parental care. Female ducks are responsible for the care and protection of ducklings. Wintering grounds. Many species migrate thousands of miles to reach their wintering grounds. Camouflage. Female ducks often have mottled brown feathers that help them blend into their nesting environments. Communication. Ducklings have been known to recognize their mother's voice even while still in the egg. Feeding habits. Ducks use a technique called dabbling to feed on the surface of the water. Homing ability. Some ducks have a remarkable ability to return to their breeding grounds after migration. Urban ducks. Ducks are commonly found in urban areas, often seen in parks and ponds. Social structure. Ducks often establish a pecking order within their groups. Swimming skills. Ducklings are able to swim almost immediately after hatching. Predator awareness. Ducks have strong instincts to be alert for predators while feeding or resting. Colorful feathers. Male ducks are often more colorful to attract mates, while females are more camouflaged. Imprinting. Ducklings can imprint on their mothers or any moving object they see shortly after hatching. Feeding frenzy. ducks can sometimes be seen in large numbers during feeding, creating a feeding frenzy. Aquatic plants. Ducks help control aquatic plant growth by feeding on them. Unique quacks. Each duck has a unique quack, similar to a human fingerprint. Vocal cords. Ducks have specialized vocal cords that allow them to produce a range of sounds. Feather preening. Ducks regularly preen their feathers to keep them waterproof and insulated. Life cycle. The life cycle of a duck includes egg, duckling, juvenile, and adult stages. Parasitic nesting. Some species, like the brown-headed cowbird, lay their eggs in other birds' nests, including ducks. Ducks in art. Ducks have been depicted in art and literature throughout history, symbolizing various themes. Floating. Ducks can float easily due to the air sacs in their bodies. Diversity of calls. Different species of ducks have unique calls, making it easy to identify them. Mating pairs. Many duck species form monogamous pairs for the breeding season. Habitat loss. Ducks face threats from habitat loss due to urbanization and pollution. Feeding habits. Ducks can often be seen foraging on land for seeds and insects. Waterfowl conservation. Many organizations work to conserve duck populations and their habitats. Duck hunting. Duck hunting is a popular sport in many regions, leading to regulations to manage populations. Wetland importance. Ducks play a crucial role in maintaining wetland ecosystems. Nutrient cycling. Ducks contribute to nutrient cycling in aquatic ecosystems through their feeding habits. Unique feet. The webbing on duck feet is specifically adapted for swimming. Behavioral patterns. Ducks often display interesting social behaviors, such as synchronized swimming. Caring for young. Female ducks lead their ducklings to water shortly after they hatch. Duck festivals. Some communities celebrate ducks with festivals highlighting local traditions. Domestic breeds. Popular domestic duck breeds include Pekin, Khaki Campbell, and Indian Runner. Coloration variations. Domestic ducks can come in a wide range of colors and patterns due to selective breeding. Waddling. Ducks are known for their distinctive waddling gait on land. Molting season. Ducks undergo a molting season where they lose old feathers and grow new ones. Foraging behavior. Ducks often forage in shallow water, using their bills to sift through mud and plants. Historical significance. Ducks have been domesticated for thousands of years, used for food and as pets. Duck songs. In some cultures, ducks are celebrated in songs and folklore. Environmental indicators. Ducks are considered indicators of environmental health, as their populations can reflect ecosystem changes. Aggressive defense. Some duck species can be aggressive when protecting their nests or young. Unique migration routes. Different species have distinct migration routes, some traveling over oceans. Farming practices. Ducks are sometimes raised alongside rice crops, helping control pests. Caring community. Ducks often help protect each other from predators, forming a community. Intelligent animals. Ducks are known for their problem-solving abilities and social intelligence. Thermal regulation. Ducks have a special layer of down feathers to help keep them warm in cold water. Predatory behavior. Some ducks are known to prey on small fish and amphibians. Cultural depictions. Ducks are commonly found in various cultural depictions, symbolizing grace and adaptability. Role in ecosystems. Ducks help control insect populations and contribute to seed dispersal. Migration timing. Ducks typically migrate during specific times of the year, often in response to changing daylight. Vocal communication. Ducks have a complex system of vocal communication, allowing them to convey different messages. Loyalty to habitat. Many ducks return to the same nesting sites each year. Influence on biodiversity. Ducks contribute to the biodiversity of their habitats by interacting with various plant and animal species. Adaptable feeders. Ducks can adapt their feeding strategies based on available food sources. Cognitive abilities. Research shows that ducks can recognize individual ducks and even humans. Natural pest control. Ducks are often used in organic farming as a natural pest control method. Symbolism in literature. Ducks appear in various literary works, often symbolizing innocence.